Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So before we go any further, I want to say thank you very much to the Tiger Stacker. Here's the newest member of the 365 club. I have put your name on the whiskey barrel down there. Let's just circle it up a little bit. There we go, the Tiger Stacker. Thank you very much, my friend, for joining the 365 club. It's great to have you on board. Now, in today's video, we're going to do a silver unboxing. Now, to give you a little hint of what I've picked up, I'm just going to show you this. Now, this is a really cool way to store 1 ounce silver bars. Now, because they're compact so tightly in there, it doesn't take up much more room than if you had, say, two 10 ounce bars. Say you had two 10 ounce bars stacked on top of each other, it doesn't take up a hell of a lot more space. So it's a really good storage solution if you want to store your 1 ounce bars in a way that they're not going to get scratched and chipped by knocking against each other. And also it looks really cool in videos. Now, for those of you that haven't seen me unbox this literally slides over the top of them all, keeping them nice and tight. And then you have these bits that go on the end, and they literally just go over the end. You've got another one there, and then you have them nice and secure. It does actually say on there that this is airtight. I don't know whether I believe this is actually airtight, but nevertheless it's a real nice way to store your 1 ounce silver bars. So that being said, let's get straight into today's unboxing. I'm going to pop this back over the back for now. Look at that, really cool. I'm going to make a little bit of space. Slide it down there a little bit. Oh, don't want that to fall over my Cobra stack around. There we go, got a little bit more space to play with. Here is the parcel. And I don't know where I put my knife. There it is. It's a bit unorganised in here today. I've got a lot of stuff that I need to work out where I'm going to store it. I've got a lot of props that I like to rotate in videos, but they do take up a lot of space. Right, there we go. We've got the knife straight into it. And we're going to be careful how we do this because we've got the sender's return address there, so I'm going to try and go in from the top. Now, this is a risky way of doing it, because I don't want to damage the bars, but at the same time I don't want to show my address or the sender's address, because on that side you've got my address and on this side you've got the sender's address. So yeah, I'm trying to make a little peek. Oh, it's a bit of a different unboxing video. We're making a little bit of a letterbox, if you like. Let's see how this works. There we go, look at that. That is really cool. You can see that they're all individually wrapped, and you'll soon start to recognise this packaging because it's the same person that I previously bought things from on eBay. Look at that, they've done exactly the same as they did last time. They've individually wrapped them in these really cool pouches. They've also chucked in some capsules as well. That hole I've made in that box is actually working really well. I will show you the person's channel name again if anyone's interested. I don't know if he does worldwide shipping, but obviously he definitely does UK shipping. That's his channel on eBay, and he always puts a note on the back. He's put, "Thank you again for purchasing from my store. I think you will love these." So that's really cool. You can see we've got quite a lot to go through today. Some more capsules there as well. Another capsule. I think that's everything. And one of these as well. Really cool. I've never seen a sender, especially from eBay, put such amount of effort into his packaging. Really cool. And he doesn't even know I've got this channel. I've actually sent him a link to this channel now so that he can see me unpackaging them, but it's not like he's gone the extra mile just because he knows I've got this channel, because I've only sent him the link to this channel after he's already shipped these out. I sent him a link of the other video I did when I unboxed the other ones he sent. So yeah, really cool. I'm going to put the knife away there before I cut my arm off. So look, we've got 4 separate things to unpackage here, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to split these across a few different videos, because I haven't got many pickups on the way, so it'll be a shame to just go all in and get them all done in one go. So what we'll do is we'll pick one now, and we'll stack these other 3 over the side here, and we'll unpackage those in a future video. So today we'll just do this one. Look at this, really cool. So he literally puts them in these pouches, and these pouches have not only got a button bit there, they've also got a zip, so really secure. And I'm definitely going to copy his idea in the future when I come to sell my precious metals, because I think it's such a nice touch. Let's see what one we've got here. So you can see it's a 1 ounce silver bar, Father's Day 1973. So this is a vintage bar from 1973, and the theme is Father's Day, and I thought this looked really cool, and I know the stack collector will definitely appreciate this bar because this is one of his hobbies. But look at that, absolutely gorgeous looking bar. I really like the border. I like the river or the sea that they're fishing in. Looks really cool. It's not quite a mirrored effect, it's almost got this texture to make it actually look like water. You can see at the top it says Father's Day 1973, and it's got a father and son out fishing. What an absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Has it got anything on the back? Yeah, we've got a really reflective back, and it says Motherlode Mint, 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver. So a really cool vintage bar, and this particular seller on eBay has lots of these kind of interesting vintage pieces of silver for sale. He doesn't have much normal kind of standard bullion on his site. It's more these unusual pieces that you don't often see anywhere else. And obviously pieces like this do contain a slight premium. That's just how it is when you're buying collectible. Let me just try and lock the focus. When you're buying these more collectible vintage pieces, you are going to expect to pay a bit more of a premium. But absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Now, moment of truth, is it going to fit in the silver holder we have here? Because that is why I've been picking up more silver bars to try and fill this up. Look at that, absolutely perfect. And that's the cool thing about 1 ounce silver bars. A lot of them are this kind of universal size. Regardless of what mint they come from, they all tend to be a very similar size and thickness. So that is really cool. There's all different types of 1 ounce silver bars in here. What a cool way of storing them and showcasing them. The only one that didn't fit in here so far is this one over here. And this is a really strange one because it's a bit thicker than the other ones, but it's quite a lot smaller. And it's still a 1 ounce piece, but it's just not made to the same specification as the other one, so it doesn't actually fit in there. You can see it doesn't fit in there, it's too short, but it's fine because it just gave me another excuse to go and pick up some more 1 ounce silver bars, and that has joined the back of the display. So yeah, really cool. We've got another one there, and that leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces left to fill, and then we have 21 ounce silver bars in the YouTube stack. So like I said, I will leave these other ones to unpackage on future videos, so the video is not too long. As always, thanks very much for all the support. Thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a very nice day.